boys and girls, it's me, Juliet, and today we're going to be doing a lesson on comparing fractions. Always remember, this sign means equal to, this sign means less than, and this sign means greater than. As you can see, we have little Pac-Mans here. Those Pac-Mans mean that they want to eat the bigger number. So the side with 2 points, they're going to eat it. So that's the bigger number. Always remember that, boys and girls. Here are some examples of the fractions. Here are equivalent fractions. 1/2 is equal to 2/4. As you see in this picture, they are both equal to. 1/2 is equal to 2/4. Repeat after me, boys and girls. 1/2 is equal to 2/4. Okay, next we have 3/3 is equal to 5/5. As you can see in the picture, they're both full bars, so they're equal. Now repeat after me. 3/3 is equal to 5/5. Okay, next we have, here is a little parentheses, and that is both equal 1 whole. So as you can see, they both equal 1 whole bar. Next we have less than. So here 1/6 is less than 3/4. As you can see, the little Pac-Man goes around this side and he wants to eat 3/4 because it's bigger. Now if you see in the picture, it's 2 bars bigger and 1/2 because this is tiny. Now we have 1/6 is less than 3/4. Repeat after. 1/6 is less than 3/4. Next we have 3/8 is less than 6/6. Again, the Pac-Man wants to eat the 6/6 because it's bigger. That's a full bar, and 3/8 is just a little bit half bar. Next, repeat after me. 3/8 is less than 6/6. And 6/6 is 1 whole. Next we have greater than. 3/6 is greater than 1/4 because the Pac-Man wants to eat 3/6 because it's bigger. Now we have the 3. Now it looks like it's about 2 pieces bigger. Then we have, repeat after me. 3/6 is greater than 1/4. Now,
and you know your 3/6 is your benchmark 1/2 fraction. So actually this is also saying 3/6 or 1/2 is greater than 1/4.
Next we have 5/8 is greater than 5/10. You might say just because the numerator is the same number doesn't mean they're the same pieces. And also, this piece is bigger, but that means that the pieces are smaller. Now we have, 5/8, and then we have 5/10. You can see that 5/8 is bigger, but they're the same amount of bar. Now repeat after me. 5/8 is greater than 5/10.
So 5/8 again is our 1/2 benchmark fraction. So we have the 1/2 is here, and then 5/8 is still bigger than this piece here, 5/10. So if you wanted to convert this into your benchmark half, 4/8 and 5/10 would be equal. But this is one more piece than 4/8, so that's why we have it being bigger.
Can I just say one more thing? When you're looking to find halves, like as you see 5/10, the numerator, which is north, and denominator is down, that's how you remember it. The numerator times 2 is the denominator. As also with ones like 2/4, 2 times 2 is 4. That's how you always remember that they are halves.
Okay, now we're going to do an experiment on real life granola bars. we're going to cut them into half and fourths. And then we're going to see how much is bigger and how much is smaller and how much is equal to. So onto the
we
granola
have some
bars.
granola bars. This one's going to be cut in half.
So right now they're equal, yes?
Yes, they're equal.
They're
Same
each
size.
one whole, okay.
We're cutting this one in half.
Okay, so now they're in half, one half. So boys and girls, which one is bigger? One whole
Or one half.
or one half? So we have this one's going to be greater. This one's going to be less.
Now we're going to cut this one into fourths. One. Just making a line. Two. And then this one here. Cut it. Now, boys and girls, which one is greater? One of these fourths or one of these halves? Yes, this one would be bigger, one half. One half would be bigger than one fourth. See, if you put two of the fourths, they'll be equal to one half.
Oh, we know that because those are our benchmark fractions.
See, here's 3/4 to one half. Oh, those 3/4 are definitely bigger. But when you put both all of them back,
Uh-oh, one half and 3/4. Which one's bigger? I mean, sorry, one whole or 2/4?
3/4.
3/4. Oh, so still.
And if you add this last fourth, they're all equal.
Okay.
See, they're all equal, all the same length. Take two of them, they're the same length. Other two, same length.
So you can practice this at home with some materials or paper if you don't have any food that you can cut up. And using a number line always helps us with learning our comparing fractions.
Here's some posters.
We hope you enjoyed our comparing fractions lesson.
All right, and always remember, if you don't understand us, you can always just get a piece of paper and draw what we're doing on it.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.